Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add shake effect in CapCut Mobile. So the first step is to simply open your CapCut project and then select your video, the video that you want to add this shake effect to it, and then tap on effects, then tap on video effects and then simply search for shake. And then you're gonna see here different templates that you can use. So I'm gonna pick this one here, as you can see, or this one here, and then tap on cancel, and then we have here the effect. Now, if you want to make this longer, you can simply drag this like this, or you can move it, or if you want, you can also make it shorter. And as you can see, we have the video here, and we have this shake effect. So basically guys, that's all you have to do in order to add a shake effect in CapCut Mobile. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.